Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reverse a video using OpenShot video editor. So first of all, if you want to have the same layout in OpenShot, you have to navigate to View, Views, and then select Simple View. Okay, next I'm going to import this video to project files. Just drag and drop the video like this. And now I'm going to add this video to video track 1. Drag and drop like this. Okay, now let's zoom in on the timeline using this slider. Okay, and let's expand the view here. Now let's take a look at the video with no effects. So this is the original video. All right. And now if we want to reverse this video, all we have to do is just right click on this video in track 1, navigate to time, go to normal, backward, and then 1x. Okay, now the video has been reversed. So if I hit play, it's actually playing backwards. Okay. Now, if you wanted to apply the same effect that you saw on the introduction of this tutorial, then what you have to do is zoom in on this clip a bit, navigate to the point in time where the guy is about to make the backflip. So let's say around this point in time. Okay. Now select the scissors. Navigate over the video, make the cut. Okay, now move the time cursor to the point where you want to start reversing. So it would be, let's say this point in time. I want to go back in the reverse. So make another cut. Okay, now let's zoom out a bit. Now deselect the scissors, move this last bit a bit further out like this. Now make the copy of this middle section and then make another copy. Okay, so now we have 3 copies of this same middle section. Now on this middle one, right click, go to time, normal, backward, 1x. Okay, now move this final bit, basically attach it to the rest of the clip like this. Now if I go here, move the playhead and replay this. So now it's going forward, backwards, and then forward again. And this is how I created the introduction of this tutorial. So hope this was useful, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.